Crash course on Switzerland. People and population. Welcome to a crash course on Switzerland's diverse population and the unique characteristics that make this country so fascinating. From its ethnic diversity to its population structure and immigration policies, there's much to explore. Let's delve into some interesting stories and examples before diving into the top 12 attractions related to people and population in Switzerland. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Multilingual Switzerland. Switzerland is known for its linguistic diversity, with 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. This multilingualism fosters cultural richness, and enables residents to connect across regions and language barriers. 2. The Helvetic Republic. Switzerland's history is marked by significant events, including the establishment of the Helvetic Republic in 1798. During this period, various regions were united under a centralized government, laying the foundation for the modern Swiss state. 3. Cultural festivals. Swiss culture is celebrated through a myriad of festivals and traditions. From Fastnacht Carnival in Basel to the cow parades in Alpine regions, each festival highlights a unique aspect of Swiss identity. Top 12 attractions of people and population in Switzerland. 1. Swiss National Museum, Zurich. Immerse yourself in Swiss history and culture at the Swiss National Museum, showcasing artifacts from various regions and periods. 2. Olympic Museum, Lausanne. Discover the Olympic movement and Switzerland's contribution to sports at the Olympic Museum, in the city of Lausanne. 3. International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum, Geneva. Learn about humanitarian efforts and the history of the Red Cross at this museum in Geneva. 4. Swiss People Museum, Ballenberg. Step back in time and explore the traditions and rural culture of Switzerland at the Swiss People Museum in Ballenberg. 5. Emmental region. Visit the Emmental region to experience traditional Swiss farming culture and witness the beauty of rolling hills and charming villages. 6. Montreux Jazz Festival. Experience the world-renowned Montreux Jazz Festival, where music enthusiasts from different backgrounds come together to celebrate the magic of jazz. 7. Swiss wine regions. Discover Switzerland's wine-producing regions, such as Lavaux and Valais, and savor the delicious wines grown in the country's diverse terroir. 8. ETH Zurich and EPFL Lausanne. Explore Switzerland's prestigious universities, where cutting-edge research and innovation drive the nation's progress. 9. Swiss cities. Wander through Swiss cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Bern, each with its unique character, architecture, and cultural offerings. 10. Swiss Alpine villages. Retreat to picturesque Alpine villages like Zermatt, Grindelwald, or Moran, where you can experience the traditional way of life amidst stunning mountain landscapes. 11. Swiss Immigration Museum, Grenchen. Gain insights into Switzerland's immigration history and the contributions of immigrants to the country's development. 12. Swiss festivals. Participate in traditional Swiss festivals, such as the cow parades, alpine wrestling festivals, and regional carnivals, to experience the country's cultural diversity. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland's people and population are marked by ethnic diversity, linguistic richness, and a strong sense of national identity. The country's museums, festivals, universities, and regions showcase its cultural heritage, and the dynamic interactions between its inhabitants. From bustling cities to serene alpine villages, Switzerland offers a unique tapestry of traditions and experiences that attract travelers from all over the world. And now, a poem celebrating Switzerland's people and their rich tapestry of cultures. In Switzerland's embrace, a fusion of souls. A tapestry of cultures, a land of diverse roles. From German to French, Italian to Romansh. Linguistic symphony, a harmonious clash. Swiss hearts united, through history's gate. The Helvetic Republic, a tale so great. Festivals and traditions, a lively show. In every region, a unique glow. From Zurich's museums to Montreux's jazz. A celebration of talents, no one shall pass. In alpine villages, life moves serene. A timeless charm, a majestic scene. In cities, innovation takes its flight. ETH and EPFL, beaming with light. The Red Cross's story, humanity's core. In Geneva's museum, compassion's law. Switzerland's people, a vibrant hue. Woven together, both old and new. In this land of mountains and lakes so grand. Swiss spirit shines, a guiding hand. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.